Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your guy Sheidairo, and today I'm about to show you how you can start making money here in Nigeria, Africa, any part of the world wherever you are watching this video from. Today I want to talk about things that actually worked for me. This is not about what is happening or what some people were saying. This is all about what worked for me and what is working for me. And from an experience, I want to give out for people, learn from it, take action, and start making money. So today we are talking about digital opportunities. How I wish I was well informed years back, especially when I was in school. Oh, come on. Well, let's leave that one aside. Let's go straight to the point. We are talking about digital opportunities, the one that can put cash in your hand fast, and the one that can take time but can make you rich in the long run. So grab your pen, grab your phone, and let's dive in. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where to start. Let's go. Before I go, let me ask you a question. Do you want to make money fast, or do you want to build something that will pay you even while you are sleeping? Drop your answer in the comments. Let's start with short-term digital opportunities. These are the ones that can start putting money in your pocket in days or weeks, and they are perfect if you are looking for fast cash flow. Example number one, selling digital products and courses. This is the first opportunity that helped me to make fast money, that even helped me to get where I am today, because it helped to push. Even till today, I'm still making that money till today. And I'm talking about things that has been helping me to make money as back as 6 years ago. Till today, I'm still making the money. Listen, I'm very sure all of you used to open your Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, even YouTube every day. Yes, you open at least one of it. You cannot tell me that you don't see people running adverts there. Yes, this is what I did that helped me. You see adverts, but you will not know that this is opportunity. Please, if you don't know how to identify advert contents, just let me know. Drop for me in the comment section. But you won't tell me that you don't know that this one you are saying is an advert. They are opportunity that helped me. Those are the genesis of opportunity that helped me to get where I am today. I read some blogs, I saw some information, I did research, and at the end, I bought some course and it actually helped me. So I'm still heading there. So some of these adverts, you can buy some adverts on Facebook, TikTok. Look, buy. And if you want to be seeing more adverts, this is what you should do. Once you see adverts, engage with it. Like, comment, click on the call to action. Go and see the structure. You will see the potential of making money from this thing. Then what will you do next? Buy the course. If it's a product, digital product, whatever, buy it. That's the first hint I'm giving you to make money. Then what next? Master it for like 2 weeks, maximum like 2 weeks. Master it, and then create your own mini course or ebook to sell. As simple as that. You make your money fast. If you go online, you see some things you can buy. Even today, you understand everything. Make your own content, your own brand, then resell it, make your money. So which means within today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, you have started making your own money. When you buy a course, you can make your own course, host it. You can use Telegram, you can host it on Google Drive or Google Docs. Some of these things are very simple. Just go to YouTube, search for it. How to host course on Telegram, you see a lot of tutorial on it. If you want to host it on Google Drive, search it on YouTube, you see a lot of information on it. So simple. And how will you run advert content? Oh, you may be thinking, oh, I need to have my website. No, it's simple. Go to Seller. You can host it free on Seller. That is why if you see some advert on social media, click on it, you see that it will take you to Seller. Most of them are not paying. It's free. Instead of you to be buying domain, having your own website or whatever. No, you don't need to spend. Everything free. Arrange it. You don't know how to do it. It's simple. In this YouTube, search for it, you will see tutorial on it, on how to put your course on Seller free. Just search for it. You will see information on it. For instance, now people are selling all this ad content using Google VO. You see Google VO now. You have seen it. Many of you on TikTok, you will see different one. You see some of them say, I am AI. I am this, that. You have been seeing something like that. You know, you won't tell me that you don't see it. These people are making money. And what are they doing? They are teaching you how to do that. Apart from that, you see some other people, graphic design. Some people will do like like this, they will jump from sky, they will do the different things, and they are teaching you how to do that. Why not buy the course, learn it, then you also create your own course, teach people, make money fast. There are many courses I made as back as 6 years ago, and till today I'm still making money from it. So there are many courses like social media marketing, graphics design, crypto trading, mini importation business, exportation business, content creation, and courses with plenty. You can learn, make your own, rebuild it, and sell it. For instance, now let's say you buy Facebook adverts course. Let's say Facebook, how to run Facebook ads. You buy the course for 15,000 naira, for instance. Now you can learn it within 2 weeks, understand it, then make your own tutorial, offer it for 5,000 naira mini course, sell it for like 200 people. You know how much you are making. Second opportunity I want to give you is software reselling. Yes, you will see all those things just like what I explained the other time on social media. People are selling it. Buy it, you to also repackage it, resell your own. Some people buy software licenses in bulk, as a discounted one in box, like Canva Pro, Grammarly Premium, and VPN, and they will resell it to others for profits. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. You can promote products with high commission. That one, I think I need to make special video on that because it's extensive to understand it, and it's very, very simple. If you want me to make special video on that, please drop it for me in the comment section. Number 4 is social media account flipping. You grow Instagram, it's very easy. I can give you scope on that. If you want, just drop it for me in the comment section. I'll make special video on that. I'll based on request. You can grow Instagram accounts, TikTok accounts, Twitter page around popular niches, e.g. comedy, gossip, and football. Then you can sell the account to the small businesses or influencer looking for followers. The 5th one is freelancing. You can offer service like graphic design, video editing, voiceovers, or copywriting. Then promote your service online. People will come for it. There's some people they will show you before and after. Maybe you have birthday now, birthday celebration. They will help you with a very good design of your picture. It will be attractive, everything. You also see before and after. Many people have interest. See, anything that has to do with birthday, people don't joke with that. So once they see your work, run advert on TikTok, run advert on WhatsApp TV, run advert on Facebook, people will actually patronize you, and you can make more money through recommendations. Now let's talk about the long-term profit digital opportunities, which is the baba of everything. Long-term opportunities are about building assets that continue to generate income passively over time. They usually take longer time to grow, but offers financial freedom when done right, although it requires consistency and patience. Number 1 of it is content creation, that is on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and so on. I am a living witness. I can tell you for free, both short time I've done it, I'm still doing it now, and a long time I'm doing it now and it's working for me. Do I need to tell you? I have multiple YouTube channels and it's paying me very well. So I would advise you can start creating content around your passion or expertise. Is very profitable. If you have been looking for things to do you don't see, start creating content. It's very, very profitable. Most of these people you are seeing online, you are looking up to, they started from somewhere. You can also start from somewhere. Grow your audience and monetize through AdSense, brand promotion, affiliate links. I'm making money from these 3 every month. For AdSense alone, at least I make like $200, $500, $600 every month. It depends. At times it may go up or come down. Brand promotion, I charge like $200, $150, and so on. And affiliate links, I make money from affiliate course, which is very easy. Do you understand something, that it is easy for me to make money? Let's say I want to be an affiliate for this. It's very easy for me to make money for it because I have audience. I can make tutorial around this, and at the end I'll tell viewers to click on the link below to go and get it. They will get it, and once they get it, I'll have commission. That is affiliate. Number 2 is blogging or niche websites. You can start a blog around topics like fashion, parenting, or tech. Monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsor posts. Look at this now. I search Nigerian blog list. So just random information I want to show you to see potential in making money from this. Now I click on this 100 best Nigerian blogs and websites in 2025, and I don't want to click on this common one here. Let me just go down. Let me check this one, number 69. So if I check the first one, now you'll be feel like, oh, they have a larger audience. Let me just check some of this one here and come to this, then analyze. So unfortunate there is no network. So I have tried as much as possible. It seems MTN network is misbehaving this morning. The network has not been doing well these days. I don't know. And the best network for me around my place here. I don't know what happened to them these days. And it's so painful. Because I want to show you some things that it will actually wow you. You won't believe some of these websites you overlook are making as much as $5,000 monthly, $10,000 monthly. You know, some are making little amounts of money, like let's say $1,000+ monthly. But if you see among these websites are making, it will surprise you. Common websites you are seeing, you not just go through it anyhow, you won't know that these websites are making bastard money. Yes, so those are the long time profit. You can imagine some of these things, they don't do anything again. You are the one going there to read, to utilize and benefit from them. They are long time profit or long time digital opportunities. The third one I want to give you for long time digital opportunities is building a mobile app or software. Yes, recently I saw an advert online on how to build and monetize your app and things like that. Well, I enrolled for it, of course, because I'm a businessman. So I enrolled for it, of course. You can create a simple app and monetize with adverts or premium subscriptions. Some of these things I'm giving you now, if you have interest on it, go to YouTube, search for it. You see a lot of information, a lot of tutorial on it. People are making money from AdMob. Another one now is you can build a digital brand, grow a personal brand on social media around a niche. Over time, this will attract brand deals, speaking gigs, and partnership. You know, on Facebook now, you see some people on a timeline, maybe short videos, all this text, something talk about mobile phone, things like that. They are doing it free with their passion because that's what they are passionate for. But now, don't be surprised that most of these things they are talking about, they have been paid for it. Yes, on TikTok, you see people talking about information on TikTok. You see people talking about this on TikTok, on Facebook, and so on. You see them because they have audience. Brands will be connecting with them. This is what's happening to me. I get this from brands, but many of my viewers don't know. And I'll be making content around this. You don't know that I've been paid for it. So those are the things that will help. You have to start from somewhere. Which should you choose? Now we have short-term digital opportunities and long-term digital opportunities. As for me, if you need quick cash, I would advise you to start with short-term digital opportunities. But if you want to build wealth and financial freedom, I would advise you to invest in long-term opportunities. And the smartest approach to this is combine both. You can start with short-term digital opportunities, be making money. Then the money you are making there, use it to finance the long-term digital opportunities. That is the scope. That is how I did my own. And it's working for me. Even till now, I make money both from short-term and long-term digital opportunities. Till now. So if you're very new to my YouTube channel, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. And for many of you want to know, let's say you want to develop yourself, creating content, you don't even know where to start from, you don't know anyone to help you through, I have a special channel for that. I give it out free. Special channel where I train people on how to be a professional content creator. I'll put the link, just check the pinned comment, you see link to connect with me, click on the link, you will see those other channel I have. You see my other channel, click on it. You see a lot of information there, like you can't get this any other places. I give out straight what I'm passing through, what I'm experiencing, how I'm making money. I explore, I put everything there. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have comments, you have questions, drop it for me in the comment section and I will respond to that as soon as possible. And if you have special concern, you want me to make a video around it, why not drop for me in the comment section, guys. I will try to make tutorial video around it for you next time. This video, guys, I want you to go and watch it, and trust me, you will thank me later for this. I love you guys. Till next time, see you guys in my next videos.